With the 3-year-old trotting fillies in the Breeders' Crown, we've had 2 recalls, one because of interference, one because of broken equipment, and 1-2 for the favored entry of Stage Entrance in Anamosa, Hanover.
We'll see if China Smoke gets up in position this time, trotting well now as they come in behind the gate.
And Billy Perkins, the track announcer, announces that here they come. So let's zero in on this edition of the Breeders' Crown from Rosecroft.
And there they go, and the Breeders' Crown is underway and running out for the lead. Stage Entrance down along the rail shows in front. Traffic Jam up on the outside second as they swing into that turn. It's Nalda Hanover up on the outside third. Down along the rail fourth, that's Kit Lobel. Trotting away in fifth, it's Carrie's Crown. Take them down the back lane, China Smoke in sixth. Nettie M gets away in seventh. Then racing in eighth is Tarport Bridget, followed by Namara Hanover in ninth. And the early trailer on the back lane, Billy O'Donnell and Anamosa Hanover. The quarter time turned in 29 1/5. This field swings around that paddock turn the first time, and out there on top, Jan Nordine in Traffic Jam has the lead. They'll swing off the turn in front of the grandstand as they approach the halfway mark, and they're out and rolling early here. They're 4 wide as they come to the half. Jan Nordine takes a look at the field with Traffic Jam as he's got the lead. Rushing up on the outside, Tarport Bridget second to go after that leader, the half in 1:03. On the rail in third is Nalda Hanover. Buddy Gilmore puts Carrie's Crown in a good position on the outside fourth. Ron Waples, Kit Lobel along the rail fifth. Richie Silverman, China Smoke ready to strike from sixth. Nettie M. Paul Spears in seventh. Anamosa Hanover, Bill O'Donnell slips up the rail eighth. Lloyd Gilmore, Namara Hanover in ninth. And they move down the back lane. The distant trailer now is Stage Entrance. As they approach the 3/4 mark, Traffic Jam leads the pack by an act. 6 panels turned in 1:31. They'll swing around that final turn. Traffic Jam has the lead. Up on the outside, Tarport Bridget now to go after that leader. On the rail, it's Nalda Hanover third. Here comes Carrie's Crown on the outside fourth. The field is tight, and down the stretch as they approach the finish mark. In the middle of the racetrack, Tarport Bridget closing on the field. Nalda Hanover flying in between horses now as they come to the wire. Here they are.
And there they are, the final time, 2 minutes and 2 seconds. And Stan, was it Nalda Hanover with Mickey McNichol?
It sure was. Got up in the final strides.